Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a brand new way to transfer money from your Zenith Bank account to any other bank in Nigeria using the Zenith Bank mobile app. This is a 2025 method, and trust me, it's super simple. First things first, if you don't already have the Zenith Bank app, head over to your Play Store or App Store and download it. Once installed, you'll need to register your account. You can do this with your account number, debit card, or hardware token if you use one. After registration, log in and you're ready to go. On the home screen, look for the transfers option and tap it. Then select transfer to other bank account. This is the feature that lets you send money to any bank in Nigeria. Next, enter the recipient's bank name, account number, and the amount you want to send. Take a moment to double check the details. Sending money to the wrong account is a mistake you definitely want to avoid. To complete the transfer, enter your transaction PIN. You'll also receive a one-time password, OTP, on your phone. Enter that code, confirm the transfer, and just like that, the money will be sent. In most cases, it hits the other account almost immediately. And that's it. A quick, easy, and secure way to move your money from Zenith Bank to any other bank without leaving your home. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.